Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Tiashat, California. Last week, it was my birthday. It was a quiet, beautiful celebration with my family as it fell on a weekday. I took a little pause to cherish the moments and feel grateful. Thank you all for your wonderful wishes. I feel truly blessed. Did you like my new dress? It came from India. I love this color. How is it? This is a very special day for me, and Nilash made it more special by preparing Nolen Gurer Payesh for me. We first offered it to God and then we will take it as prasad. We visited nearby Sai Baba temple to seek Baba's blessings. And then back to home sweet home to our cutest fur baby. Then decided to prepare something that I love, especially in winter. Actually, everyone in our family love this. In Bengali, we call it koraishutir kochuri. This is a winter delicacy in every Bengali household. It is a deep-fried food, not so healthy, but some days we deserve it, isn't it? It's fried bread stuffed with green peas. And we eat it with alur dum, or it's a spicy potato curry. So our lunch menu was green peas kachori or koraishutir kachori with alur dum, and Nilash made the dessert, our favorite Nolen Gurer Payesh. Yummy! Eden also wanted to have that same food, but he can't have, right? So he tasted little bit of payesh and he loved it. In the evening, we had a small cake cutting ceremony. Followed by my favorite cuisine dinner, that is Thai. So much gratitude. It's a blessing to have your loved one surrounding you on your special day, isn't it? Sharing my special moments with you, since you guys also have become my YouTube family member. At 43, I am embracing the wisdom gathered, the experiences lived, and the excitement of the chapters yet to be written. Cheers to another year of growth, joy, and living life to the fullest. Thank you, God, for everything. Did you ever had a meal so good that you craved it next day? That's exactly what happened to me. Yesterday we had a dinner at Time Thai Kitchen. Now let me take you to the dinner we had yesterday that inspired today's recipe. This soup was so delicious and soothing that my son requested me to make it at home sometime. I must say, after so long, I was very satisfied eating outside in a restaurant. And all the food were so tasty and comforting that I couldn't stop thinking about it next day. I didn't have the exact same ingredients, but I decided to recreate the flavors with what I had on hand. And guess what? You can do it too. So today I am bringing those delicious flavors right to your kitchen. Not only one, but two irresistible protein bowls. One with shrimp inspired by Thai Coco Shrimp Curry, and another one is my modification with paneer for paneer lover and all my vegetarian friends. Trust me, you don't wanna miss it. Here is what you all need to prepare the shrimp bowl. You need fresh shrimps that is cleaned and deveined, chopped onions, green peas, mushrooms, a paste made with sesame seeds, poppy seeds and peanuts, colorful vegetables. Try to make it rainbow as always I said, tomato puree, ginger garlic paste, spices and coconut milk. Keep your pan ready on the stove top and start marinating your shrimp. Add little bit of salt, turmeric powder, chili or paprika powder, it's optional, pepper powder, and freshly squeezed lime juice. Mix everything thoroughly. Now add some oil in the pan. When the oil is hot, add the shrimps. Now cook them on both sides until they turn little bit pinkish. It takes 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the chopped onions in the remaining oil. Saute them well. Now add the carrots, broccoli and mix them well. Now it's time to add the bell peppers and then I'm adding the stem of the bok choy because the stem of the bok choy is little harder than the leaves. I'm gonna add the leaves later. Now adding some plant proteins, mushrooms, now goes the frozen green peas. I already pureed 2 large ripe tomatoes and now adding the puree into the vegetable mixture. It's time to add the spices. Salt according to the taste. Now stir well to combine everything. Can you smell it already? Just kidding. It's smelling amazing here. It's time to add the paste we prepared before with sesame seeds, poppy seeds and peanuts. Give it a good mix. Now, for the magic touch, pour in the creamy coconut milk. That's where all the comfort comes in. Now adding some hot boiling water. I'm going to cover and cook it for a few minutes until it becomes thick and luscious. In the meantime, I'm going to chop some spring onion, separating the green parts from the white. Adding the white parts in the curry. Next, I'm adding the leaves of the bok choy. Give it a good mix. This is the perfect consistency of the curry that I was looking for. Are you a fan of Thai food? What is your favorite Thai recipe? I love Thai food. It would be great if you can share some recipes in the comment section. Thank you. Now comes the star of the show, our juicy plump shrimp. Let these beauties soak up all that creamy, fragrant curry goodness. Trust me, you are in for a treat. Adding pinch of garam masala at the end. I like garam masala in my shrimp curry. And now for that irresistible finishing touch. Freshly chopped spring onions and vibrant cilantro sprinkled on top. How is this, guys? Since I didn't have lemongrass or kaffir lime leaves, I am adding fragrant lemon zest to give it that zesty pop of flavor. The aroma is simply divine. Please remember to turn off the stove before adding the lemon zest. It's time to serve. Just look at this creamy, colorful dish. Packed with bold flavors, tender shrimp, and perfectly cooked veggies. One bite will transport you straight to a cozy Thai kitchen. You have to try this. Your taste buds will thank you. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out any healthy recipe. And beyond being absolutely delicious, this flavorful recipe is also super healthy. Carefully handpicked every ingredient to keep it wholesome and nutritious. Because good food should nourish both your body and soul. Friends, I am making this a two-part series to keep things crisp and exciting. So stay tuned for part 2, where I will show you how to make the delicious paneer bowl bursting with bold Thai flavors. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Make sure you are subscribed with the bell icon on so you get notified the moment it drops. Thank you so much for watching.